Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot CRM with LinkedIn for lead tracking. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. Scroll down to the integrations section on the left sidebar. Click on Connected Apps. Look for LinkedIn Sales Navigator in the list of available integrations. If you don't see it, use the search bar to find it quickly. Select LinkedIn Sales Navigator to open the integration options. Click on the Connect App button. A new window will pop up prompting you to log into your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and authorize the connection. Once connected, return to HubSpot. Now, navigate to the Contacts tab in your HubSpot dashboard. Click on Profiles to see the contacts you've imported. To start tracking leads, use HubSpot's search bar to find LinkedIn contacts. Hover over a contact to reveal the Add to CRM option. Click the Add to CRM button to import relevant LinkedIn profiles. Assign those contacts to specific lists if necessary. Utilize HubSpot's lead scoring tools to manage interaction with these leads. Ensure that you set up notifications for updates on your leads. Regularly review your lead tracking metrics. Utilize HubSpot reports to analyze the effectiveness of your LinkedIn lead generation efforts. Adjust your strategies based on performance data. Stay updated with any changes in LinkedIn's API policies. Consistently monitor your integration settings in HubSpot for a seamless experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.